against killing of Rohingya Muslim in Myanmar. Thank you very much for giving us the opportunity to deliver this message on behalf of Muslim community in Japan. While the rest of Islamic world is engaged in the ritual of the holy month of Ramadan, fasting, praying and giving alms, the Muslim community of Rohingya in Myanmar is being instantly targeted and slaughtered. Mercilessly, thousands of Myanmar Muslims have been massacred, while a large number has been forced to flee for their lives and devil and squalid condition. The Secretary General of Organization of Islamic Cooperation (OIC) on Wednesday, 25 July 2012, has sent a letter to the Myanmar President, UN Secretary General Ban Ki-moon, asking them for their helping in ending the oppression and violence against Rohingya Muslim in Western Arakan State. According to the Human Rights Watch HRW, which on Wednesday, 1st August 2012, released a report on the humanitarian crisis, Myanmar security forces committed killing, rape and mass arrest against Rohingya Muslims instead of protecting them against Arakan Buddhists during deadly sectarian violence in Western Myanmar in June 2012. Government restriction on humanitarian access to the Rohingya community have left over 10,000 people displaced and in dire need of food, shelter and medical care. We urge you to cooperate with the international community to take immediate measures to address the ignoring, killing and the abuse of the Rohingya Muslim. We hope your government will fulfill their responsibility without any delay. It is also reported that communal violence is grinding on in Western Myanmar 6 weeks after the government declared a state of emergency. There and the Muslim Rohingyas are still increasingly being hit with target attacks and have included killing of hundreds of innocent civilians, the demolition of mosques and houses and the displacement of many people. Muslim community in Japan is holding a protest rally all over Japan against the killing of Muslims in Myanmar. We believe that the ethnic cleansing of Muslims is unfair, cruel and unjustified. It is our humanitarian duty to defend the fundamental right of Muslims in Myanmar through calling on the country government to take necessary measures to stop the oppression of Muslims. Muslim community in Japan demand that government of Myanmar and the ambassador of Myanmar in Japan, the United Nations, as well as the Organization of Islamic Cooperation (OIC), the Japanese government and government of various countries, their ambassador, diplomats, draw their urgent attention towards the ongoing massacre of the Muslim minority in Myanmar and play their due role in stopping the killing of Muslims in Myanmar. This is necessary to help the Muslim Rohingyas to return to their homes and live in the security. The Muslim community in Japan compliment to the UN Secretary General Ban Ki-moon, OIC Secretary General Mr. Ishino Galu, the Prime Minister of Japan Mr. Noda Yoshihiko, all embassies in Tokyo, all nets in Japan. Thank you very much.
Now Mr. Salman Farsi. Mr. Salman Farsi, Japanese Muslim, please come.
日本政府と日本のミャンマーの大使館員にお願いします。私たち日本人は原爆を落とされ、人の死を痛みを知っております。そして去年は東北の大震災で多くの人間が死にました。その際には報道関係の皆様の協力を得て世界中にこのニュースが流れました。ところがどうでしょう、日本の新聞にはこのミャンマーの殺戮が載っておりません。どういうことでしょうか。日本の人は人の死の痛みを知っております。世界中の恥です。この醜い行いはどんな宗教でも許されません。どうぞ日本の報道関係の方、世界中の報道関係の方、Wake up to stop the killing! Wake up, everybody!
Stop the killing!
Stop the killing! Please! Wake up! Thank you!
Now, Mr. Hussein Khan.
Can you go some other place?
I have already written a protest letter and I have already sent email to the ambassador that this killing of Muslims is not correct. This killing of Muslims is nowhere in the world. The whole country, neither the president himself wants that the Muslims should go out of Burma. He requested United Nations, and United Nations rejected this thing. So this whole country, the government itself wants to extricate Muslims, genocide of Muslims and allowing killing of Muslims. Nowhere in the 20th century, no civilized country can allow this. And we ask the president not to do it anything and try to protect all the Muslims. Thank you very much.
Mr. A.R. Siddiqui Sahab. A.R. Siddiqui. Siddiqui Sahab. Abdul Rahman Siddiqui Sahab. Please come. Okay, we go Brother Salim Barmeez. Brother Salim. Salim, please come. जल्दी आ टाइम कम है वो खत्म कर इधर
मैं जो है एक्चुअली रिप्रेजेंट करके यहाँ जो बर्मा में जो है what the massacre is happening in the Burma. We demand that stop this massacre, stop this the killing the Rohingya Muslim in Arakan state, and we demand from the Japan government, all the Muslim community to save the Rohingya people, to save the Rohingya property, and stop this the massacre and the torturing, killing, persecution which is started from the last 2 months, and also not the massacre what happened to Rohingya people, Rohingya Muslim in Arakan state is not the recent, it's from long time. They have long history. From 70 years they are killing the Muslim brothers there, Muslim genocide. They want to clean this all the people from Arakan, from Myanmar. Is actually the ethnic cleaning. So we demand from Japan government and from Myanmar government to stop this kind of unhumanism and the barbarian is the killing. I think they are the uncivilized people what they are doing, cooperating with the Myanmar government. So we demand that all the from Myanmar government, from Japanese government to give the pressure to Myanmar government to stop this kind of all the killing and torturing the people in the Ramadan now. There is no food, no medicine. People suffer inside the home. There is the curfew now. They cannot go outside. All market is looted from the Muslim market. There is no food, no medicine. So we demand from the international community and the Burmese government also to send the help, aid to the Rohingya people, to Muslim people, to save the Rohingya life. They are also human. They want to live together in the Myanmar. side by side, but they are trying to killing the people. This is unhuman the action. We want to stop this kind of persecution, this kind of operation. Please help the Rohingya, the Muslim Rohingya people here, and they can stay together with Myanmar, the community Myanmar people, with their all the right, all human rights. So thank you very much.
Here, Mr. A.R. Siddiqui. 皆さん、今日は全国日本から代表的な方々がベルマのミャンマー大使館の前に立っていること、またデモやっていることの目的は、ミャンマーでは人々が殺されている、そのことを反対すること、そういうことでありますから、今日のこのデモがある宗教、ある国民、ある人々に反対することではありません。今日の皆さんの我々の目的は、自分の気持ちが日本人と、またミャンマーの政府、またミャンマーの大使館の方々に伝えることであります。その目的は、ムスリムであるか、仏教であるか、神道であるか、キリスト教であるか、何教であっても、皆さんが人間であるから、人間のことは大事にしましょう。人間の命を殺すことは絶対悪いであるから、罪であるから、世界的でも、道徳でも、文化的でも、何年、どんな教えであっても、どんな宗教であってもいけないことでありますから、一人の人間を殺すことは、すべての人類を殺したということは、ムハンマド・ヨガニシャが教えております。そのことはどんな宗教でも教えてありますから、人間の命を大事にすること、ベルマでもあるか、ミャンマーであるか、日本であるか、あれは世界中どこであっても、人間の命、人間を殺さないことは非常に大切でありますから、だから今日は全国日本の代表的な人々が集まって、その目的がここに伝えることに来ておりますから、絶対何も悪い気持ちとか、ある宗教に反対とか、誰に侮辱することは絶対ございません。そういうことが平和的に自分の気持ちが伝えることでありましたから、日本の皆さんには感謝いたしております。外国人であるか、日本人であるか、みんなが平和で日本で生活することは我々のみんなの気持ちでありますから、ありがとうございました。Now